Hi everybody, it's Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Welcome back. So today, before we get into it, I have a couple little show and tells. So last time we did a dustpan pour on black and with fluorescent colors. And I just wanted to show you, here's the dried product. I still have to varnish it, but a lot of the cells popped up after the fact, which still is cool looking. So I thought I'd show you that. Also, with our winter themed program, Getting Snowed In, which is very appropriate filming day, we've got about a foot of snow coming, I think. But one of the prizes when you get your snowballs after you complete tasks, reading, watching videos, and that type of thing, one of the prizes is a painting that I did. So this is the painting that you could win. It's a 16 by 20. It's not varnished yet. And this also I did the dustpan method, like the black and fluorescent one. So I just wanted to show you that you could win this. So I'm gonna put that aside. So today we are doing what's called a split cup. So I got this cup, I've been testing it out. So it was made on a 3D printer, 3 different vessels, but you can buy them on Etsy and other places, and you can get 4 chambers, 5, 6. This is a big cup. I hope it's pretty big for my hand, and it's gonna hold up to like 25 to almost 30 ounces. But when I mentioned to my furry friend that we were gonna do a split cup, he was so excited that he decided he needed to get his banana split costume on. Ace! Hey Ace, are you a banana split? Ace! Uh-oh, Ace, are you banana split today? Ace is busy smelling something. All right, maybe we'll get him later. So, anyway, he's a banana split. So, I'm on a bigger canvas again, and I'm going for pink and green colors to go with the specific room, actually my bedroom. So so my thought is, no, okay, my thought is I'm gonna do these pinks on one side, these greens on the other, and the bolder colors in the middle. That's the plan. So let's get started. Oh, there's the banana split. Here he is. All right, so I'm gonna try to put half. This is a rose gold. Now this pink is one of those mistint paints from Lowe's. So it's house paint, and I just added some water in it, and I'm gonna put that, on top. I don't want it to sink to the bottom, so I'm gonna put a lot of that. So I'm hoping to get about, but I'm saving some of this because I might have to spread out the paint. So I did the rose gold, the baby pink, and then the rose gold on this side. So that's that. And then on this side, I'm going to do, this is like a cactus color or something. I don't know. So hopefully the colors don't get muddy. That would stink. Okay, now the middle, is where the bolder colors are. And I added a blue just to kind of break up the colors a little bit. So, a little of that. And I got this green that, I don't know, that one's, I think that might be too loose. So. Trying to get it to go on top, but it's not. Okay. Okay, this one won't go on top. Okay, don't know. I don't know. This is not going on top like I wanted it to. I know, Ace. What's happening? It's not doing what I want. I know. So I hope you're all being safe, well, 2021. I hope it's a good year. I'm just gonna do a little, so that one's going on top. All right, that looks about even. That's a lot of paint. All right, so I'm gonna put a little of this down. Just, that's what I'm gonna pour on. Spread it out a little bit. And I wanna do kind of like a ring pour, but not circling my hand, but circling the whole thing, I think. I don't know. But this is a big boy. Big boy. All right, are we ready? So the paint, I'm going to just go straight first till all of it's coming out. And then you can go up higher. You get a different color. Oh, the blue's kind of taking over. So I'm going to try to go slow. Slow it down. That tan color is rose gold, so I'm gonna, there's too much blue. Part of the issue is that this is really big. This is a big cup. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of put it here, let it drain a bit. Now, before I put the extender, I am gonna get any air bubbles out. A good way to not have too many air bubbles is to mix your paint the day before, which I did do that. So, all right. So now I'm gonna just put some of this other pink around the edges so that, and before we tilt it, all right, there's a little. So, like the corners, or actually, let's do it this way. That's goopy. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of, I got this spatula, so that's just like Walmart. This will help the paint move, I think. That's the plan. So the rose gold is probably going to change nuts color. It's going to dry differently. All right, there we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what I want to try to keep and what I want to try to. All right, I'm going to go this way first. So I'm sorry, you probably might not be able to see it. I'm just going to try to move it slow and not have anything come out yet. See what happens. More corner. Sorry, can't see. Okay. A lot of green. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna, well, you know what? I almost forgot the code word. I was so busy. I'm gonna stop and assess it for a second. And while I do that, you need a code word for today's video. So today's code word, which I just got paint over on it. Whoops. Today's code word is icicle. You probably can't, oh, and I don't want to drip on the painting. So icicle is a word. I don't know if you can see that. I did get paint on it because I forgot. So that is the word that you need. So I'm going to assess this not bad. You know, this is what's fun about it, is colors, how they mix, and things don't always come out the way they want, but they sometimes they come out better than you want. So I did want pink and green, so I think that rose gold's going to dry up nicely, and I will show you that. So anyway, so I hope you're all well and having a safe winter, and get snowed in at Bridgewater Public Library. Join us. So have a great day, everyone. Peace.